Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload music to the Animoto app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. Find the Animoto app, now open it. Then choose one video that you want to add the music to. Now choose one video and tap on to done. Now to upload the music, here you can find the option of music. Simply go ahead and select it. Now here you can find the change song option. Now tap on it. Now scroll down until you find the tracks just like this. And now you can select one music that you want to upload. After choosing, tap on to apply. And here you can see the music has been uploaded. And that's it. This is how you can upload the music to Animoto video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.